Explain basics of interlocking of switchgear in power systems. So when the maintenance has to be carried out on circuit breaker, it is not just enough to open the circuit breaker as the contacts are on one side are live as these are connected to the bus bars. So it becomes necessary to isolate from the live side also. For this isolators are used. Isolators are connected on either side, that is both the sides of the circuit breaker. The isolators are opened after the opening of the circuit breaker. So the circuit breaker is isolated from both the sides. Now the isolator is designed only to carry the rated current and it is not designed to break the fault current. So if the isolator is opened before the opening of circuit breaker, arc is produced across its contacts and it may result in fire. Operator also gets hurt. So the isolator should never be opened before opening the circuit breaker. Similarly, when the circuit is closed, first the isolator should be closed and then only the circuit breaker should be closed. Otherwise, the circuit breaker is disconnected or isolated from both the sides. It is not connected with the bus bars. If the earth switch has to be operated, then it should be closed after the opening of the circuit breaker and the isolator. And while closing the circuit, first the earth switch should be opened and then the isolator should be closed and then the circuit breaker should be closed. Arrangement of interlocking is provided so that the isolator cannot be opened when the circuit breaker is closed and the circuit breaker cannot be closed when the isolator is in open condition. Similarly, the interlock is also provided so that the earth switch can be closed only when the circuit breaker is in open condition and the isolator can be closed only when the earth switch is in open condition. So this is the basics of interlocking of switch gears in power system to maintain the system healthy condition and for the maintenance purpose.